Hi, this is Ronald Mills from Vatland Honda. Today I'm working on a 2018 Honda CR-V. I'm going to show you how to replace an engine air filter. I'm using an electric gun. If you haven't used one before, I recommend you use a wrench. That way you could control how tight you tighten it so you don't break the bolts off. So I'm going to remove these 4 screws right here. It's in the 4 corners of the box. Pick it up from right here. There we go. Take the filter out. You can easily identify it when it's dirty. It comes at a very light color. Of course, original Honda part. Put the filter back in. This little tab stays on the outside towards you. So you slide it in like this, sideways. Cover it down, and the same thing in reverse order. That's why I do recommend, if you've never used a battery gun before, that you don't use this, because you could over tighten it and break the bolts.